Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up lead scoring in HubSpot. Now here on the left-hand panel, you'll see this microphone or megaphone looking icon. Hover over here, and then I want you to come here and click on lead scoring. And then what we're going to do, we're going to set up our lead scoring. We can start from scratch or you can start with AI, depending on the plan you have, okay? So I will go ahead and click on start from scratch. It helps us improve our engagement rate because we are able to focus on the leads with the best scores. So what would you like to score first? You either choose between contacts or companies. Okay, so I'll choose contacts. So now we can choose on how we'd like to score them. So we can either score them based on contact engagement score, basically their contacts level of engagement based on their behavior interactions with us and our company, or the contact fit score basically evaluates how closely a contact aligns with our ideal customer based on demographics and other criteria. So I'll do this one, customer engagement. You can choose whichever one is applicable to you, and then we can go ahead and click on create. Right? You just come here at the very top right and click on create right here. And then here we will be doing our criteria. So we can add event groups right here. Okay, you can also do decay scores. So what this basically means that over time, each event's score will decay on its own timeline since the first event starts. So you can make it reduce by, let's say 10% every 3 months. Okay, that is here, the new scoring group, you can make that happen. And the limit will keep it at 100, okay? Of course, you can collaborate with Copilot and use their AI features as well, right? To do these things, I'll go and close this. And you can start adding event criteria. So let's say meetings or sales emails you have with them, one-on-one sales emails. Okay, you can select that. Or sending emails, or they're actually opening these emails or replying to us, or they're clicking on whatever event you want, you can add those. So each time they open our sales email, we could add 1 point, for example, right? That is an example, okay? And we can also add another criteria. So for example, every time they reply to our sales email, we go ahead and add 10 points. So they're more of a warm lead, right? They're more likely to convert. So that is a good thing. So whatever scoring group you want, you can name this. And then now you can come here, review everything. Okay, you can come here to contact and choose the contacts you would like to score. So I'm okay with scoring all the contacts. You can choose your different lists. I'll do this one right here. Okay, or if you want all the contacts, you can go ahead and just keep this one on, right? And here you just go ahead and exclude the contacts you don't want. You can choose up to 5 lists. If you want to score specific contacts, you can do that. I'll just score all of them. I don't want to exclude anything, right? And then we come here to settings. And here we basically have the score value and what property label will be scored. This is where they'll, score the data across for us. I'll just come here under criteria because I'm happy with this and I'm happy with all the contacts I'm going to be scoring. I'll come here, click on review and turn on. So let's see everything right here. What's going on? Okay. So when this score is turned on, we'll have new properties created. We'll calculate the scores and it will constantly be updated. Okay. And here we go. We'll click on turn on. As you can see, the score has been turned on. There you go. And it's really that easy and simple.